Would that make sense for a vehicle? That's like means good at gaming.
Cracked? Your cracked car?
My cracked car.
It's like anything. Getting started is the hard part.
Yeah.
Or we got to put it over heads.
See that?
Look better with the hat on.
No, I don't. I look fabulous. Anyways.
Alright, so this is going to be our first installment of teaching my little guy how to work on cars.
Little.
You are the baby, and you always will be. And it started off, we were looking for a project, and then his mother donated this beautiful 2001 Jetta for him. So hopefully, you know, I could teach him a little something and learn a little something myself along the way. Ready to get this shit cracking?
Yeah.
What's first? You want to try to get it started?
I want to.
All right, you want to try to get in this thing or what?
Yeah, let me show y'all what true German engineering in the hand of some people can do. First, magic.
Well, I think that has a lot to do with this banged up door. I might say.
That's why I said it's several people. Am I right?
Yes. All right. So how you getting in there? Show us, son. Oh, the back door works.
I'm surprised.
Oh, that's a cute. That's a real cute dog sticker too. Come on. All right. Come on, go, gadget arm. You got it. All right, here, let that help you out.
Oh, dude, it sounds bad.
It just needs a little lube. Come on, it's got to be replaced anyway. Freaking destroyed.
Fair enough.
All right, let's see if she starts. Got to push the clutch in. I know you never driven a stick before. Yeah, the far one to the left.
Yeah, this is the clutch.
All right, it's pressed in. You turn the key.
It's not turning.
All right, yank the wheel like the other way. I know, no, don't break the wheel. Just give it a little yank. Got to turn the key while you're yanking the wheel. Did it work?
No sparks, no life.
No life? No. All right, well, just turn the wheel a little bit warm so it's free. Or leave, there you go. All right, it's dead. Good thing we brought a battleator. Pop the hood. You know how to do that, right?
I don't remember.
I got to fucking teach you everything. I'm being a dick. I don't even know how to pop the hood on this thing. Oh, there you go. All right. Yeah, all right, you're not open the hood. Yay! And you think he's a computer. Wow. Them gas shocks or gas shock actually is holding that thing up, huh? It's just a 2.0 with no turbo, so they call it a too slow.
You laugh like a talk show host.
But you can see she did some work. I know it's got new sparky plug wires. The battery looks new, but we bought a new one. We're just gonna fucking freaking change it out. And I know it's got like new motor mounts and this and that. And I'm gonna get the battery, get this started. Toolbox on, toolbox.
We got one right there.
You are a toolbox. Oh, hey, oh. We got our workbench and our handy dandy Craftsman.
Oh shucks, look at that guy.
Yeah, you changed the battery for, right?
Yeah.
You did one on my Explorer.
I did?
Yeah, that's over there. We never started. Now a year later, it's completely freaking dead. All right, well, I'm gonna guess they are 10 millimeters on, off.
Don't they also say it?
No, that's the other set I have. It's actually legit. Always start with the positive. Nope, right here. On a splicer dicer. Is it deep enough, or do you need a deep socket? The other way, son. Now hold this. Now crank it. Because it's super loose. All right, you don't have to go all the way loose with them. Now, none of stuff's other. You don't want to take it off all the way. Just kind of want to twist it. No. Just the one. Twist it and pop it off. See? Just give it a couple cranks, and then shake it back and forth, and then pop it off. All right, that should be good. Now see if it spins. All right, pull it off. I don't know what this mess of shit is, but I bet you it's important car crap. Are you man up here? I'll pull it out for you. Thanks, I know you ain't man enough.
Thanks, old man.
But it's okay. All right. Now, what's important? What do you need to know?
Gotta put it in the right way.
Yep.
All right.
And what does that plus mean?
That means positive.
And what color is positive on the car?
Red.
Awesome.
That's positive. Most everything, old man.
No, the house it's white.
Crazy. Is negative still black?
Yep.
Oh fuck! It's
so.
falling off.
I'm talking shit. Get hit.
Yeah, you're about to.
I don't know. I'm not an electrician. Well, that one is quite a bit smaller.
Well,
all right. That's all they had at Walmart. That's fine, as long as things get on here. That goes. Put the ground on. Tighten her down.
What'd I do with the ratchet?
Oh,
it's right here. I already made that joke. You can't say that to me.
Oh, hey.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
All right, is it tight? All right, let's see.
It may not be.
Push it down all the way, so you know sure it's got a good connection.
Brother, I'm trying.
Brother trucker. All right, give it a little thing. Make it snug as a bug. All right, that's good. All right, don't kill it. All right. Let's talk about it. Place for everything in this place.
Haters will see my bug ass in a rug and still say I'm not snug.
Wait till they see you rocking your pimped out Jetta. They'll be like, damn, the girls be damn throwing their crusty panties at you.
That's disgusting. What the hell, dude?
Gen X, bro. Is that how we do it? Go in there. Let's see. Cross fingers. Let's make sure this hunk of junk starts. I'm gonna sing the chant of the 90s. Lucky, lucky, treat them good. Rabbit, rabbit, knock on wood. Yogi Bear. I didn't get the end of it. Give it gas. Give it gas. Come on, give it some gas. All right, stop. Give it a minute. Turn the key on. Let it circulate. It's probably got an electric fuel pump. All right, hit it. Push the clutch in. Whoa, whoa, she runs. She don't sound too bad. She got a hell of an exhaust leak. She got a slight valve tap. Is it in neutral? Shake the stick. I know you like to shake the stick. All right, Trey's out here. Listen to your car. So what I know that we need the downpipe back here for the exhaust coming off the exhaust manifold. We need a new coil pack, which is right there. She bought the wrong one. We gotta hopefully this thing will run and loosen up them lifters. Basically do a basic tune-up. I know the plugs are new. I know the wires are new. So I don't know what's next.
I have no idea.
You wanna drive it? You wanna drive it up and down the driveway?
Watch me stall this shit.
Or should I take my camera and set it on the dashboard? I'll just stare at you creepily like this. No, dude, you gotta drive this bitch. All right, what do you do first?
Clutch?
No, we roll down the window, let the fucking stank out.
It's not supposed to rain soon, right?
It looks pretty sunny to me, Junior, but I'm no meteorologist. What do you do first?
Clutch?
Nope.
I don't fucking know that.
You take the emergency brake off.
That would make a lot more sense. Very smart.
All right, where's reverse at?
You gotta push it down.
Yep, push it down and up into first gear. Oh, gotta get you a new mirror too. Because it makes my beard look. See? Well, you don't. Just like the motorcycle, you get nervous, pushing the clutch.
I was releasing the clutch.
Clutch in, you should be able to start it. All right. Just don't freaking forget, it's already in gear. All right, let's let it out, tap a little gas. Okay, we're gonna die. There you go. That's all right. We can do a clutch episode. You didn't push the clutch in, did you?
I was, but no, very slowly.
Don't be afraid. Push that clutch in. All right, start up. Put it in first.
At first?
It's the same as reverse. You don't push it down. Ooh. It feels like there's still a broken motor mount on this thing. Clutch. You hear me? What the hell was that banging noise? That felt like the engine slamming into the car.
I mean, you want to do that? You want to sit up here just in case? Make sure.
No. I'm not kicking your driving. I'm just saying.
I'm saying just in case there's.
No,
it's user error.
Yeah, well, whatever, dude. It's a free car. We fucking blow it up here. We blow it up here. We'll buy another one. Oh, we didn't even pay for this one, so. You gotta fix it in your mom's memory.
This shit's scary.
You can't be burning the clutch out before we ever get it on the road. Nah, man, we're learning. Dude, don't stop. Oh my God. All right, so what are we doing now? Are we done? We got it running?
I don't know, G.
Well, that was the only thing we planned on today was to get her running, right?
Yeah, it's running.
All right, what I'm asking you is, do we get the thumbs up to move forward with the project? All right, the car runs. That was our main concern, right?
That was our main concern.
So it's running, so now we can go forward actually putting a little money to it with what you want to call it, or not our low budget low rider, or what?
Low dollar low rider.
Low dollar low rider. It was a lot cooler the other day.
No, it wasn't. That was exactly what I said.
All right, our low dollar low rider is basically to show how young poor people can still have cool cars, right?
You call yourself one.
I'm talking like you. This is for you. I'm an old.
I'm drowning in money already.
I thought you were talking about the young part.
I dive into my money like Scrooge McDuck.
You know they're coins and they're gonna hurt like a motherfucker. It's gonna be like jumping on concrete.
Bills. There's some cushion before I hit the concrete.
Using some of Diddy's baby oil, you slide it right in there, boy.
I call it the cutter.
The turd cutter?
No.
Anyway. Alright, so next time.
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
Your brother took that line, but sounds good.
God damn it.
Alright, let's go. Peace out.